Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 3310 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to activate the security code to unlock this phone. So guys, if I try to unlock this phone, okay, so you can see I don't have to put any security code and the phone is not that much secure. But if you want to put extra security and you want to put a security code in your phone, how to do it? First of all, you have to go to the menu. Once you enter into the menu, you have to scroll down and then you will see this option, this icon of settings. Okay, so just select it, and once you select it, you have to scroll down. Okay, and you have to select this option of phone settings. So just enter into the phone setting by pressing the middle button. So once you enter into the phone settings, you have to scroll down and then you see this option of keyguard settings. Okay, so just select it, and once you select this option, you see the second option is about keyguard code. Okay, so currently it is off, it is not on, so I have to turn it on. So I press the middle button. Okay, and then it will ask me to put the security code. Okay, so the default security code is 12345. So this is the default security code, and then I press OK. So once I press OK, it will let me in to the next page to turn it on. So currently it is off. I take it upside and select this on option, and then I press this middle button to OK. So I press OK, and then keyguard code is on now. So everything is done now. I will go back. Okay, and then I will lock the phone. I will lock the keypad. Okay, so now the phone is locked, completely locked. I cannot access any feature. I cannot access my phone. You can see over here, I try to press any button and it's not working. Now I have to unlock this phone. So first of all, I press this unlock option by pressing this left button top side. So I unlock it. So you can see over here, once I try to unlock it, the next thing the phone asks me to put the security code. So now here I will put the security code, which is 12345. Okay, now everything is done. Then I press OK, and now you can see the phone is unlocked and I can access all the features of my phone. So this is how you can access the phone. You can set the security code on this Nokia 3310 as a key guard code. Okay, the if you want to change this security code, if you want to change the security code, you can also change it by just going to the settings. Okay, and then you have to scroll down. Okay, and then you will see an option over here, security settings. So just select it, and then you see the last option over here, it says change codes. Okay, so just select this change codes. Okay, the first option, it is asking you change the security code, so just select it, and then here you have to press the you have to put the first code, which is 12345. Okay, then press OK. Then it will ask you to enter the new security code. Here you can enter any security code that you like. For example, I will put here 75321, right? And then press OK, and then again it will ask you to check the new security code. So I will again press 75321, and then I press OK. Now the security code is changed. Okay, this is the new security code. And then for example, I lock the phone. Okay, I lock keypad, the phone is completely locked now, and if I want to unlock the phone, I have to put the new changed security code, so which is 75321. Then I press OK. So everything is done now. I can access my phone. The new security code is also working. So this is how you can set the security code, and this is how you can also change the security code for your phone. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.